In this video, we will learn how to use Vlookup into another worksheet. Let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here student data with the marks of every subject. Here we use the Vlookup of English subject of student name Sachin marks. So I just enter the is equal to Vlookup. Select the cell, comma, table range, then comma 2, comma, enter. You can see here the Sachin marks is 70. If I enter the here Sita, then you can see here 60 marks is show here. Sita 60 in English. If you enter the Ram, Ram is 90. If I enter the name is Ram, then it's 90. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.